Hi my babies! Welcome back to my channel. I'm applying lip balm because I feel my lips dehydrated. I need to drink some water. But yeah, welcome. Today I wanted to chit chat just a little bit with you guys. I always say it, but I really don't like long videos. So I will try to keep up with talking and doing my makeup. So yeah, all of the brands are gonna be cruelty free brands, and except NYC, which is the eyeliner, because I don't know, I really do not know. So let me find real quick. So yeah, NYC is not a cruelty free product, so I will have to definitely look for a new one. Cause wow, that eyeliner is my life. I don't know what am I gonna do. But okay, I didn't talk about what I was gonna do today. I want to do a Valentine look, like a simple and easy but very durable, very fresh, very pretty, girly. So yeah, it's gonna be all pinks, all cuteness, all flawlessness. So let's start. For primer, I'm gonna be using the LC Pearl Radiance because it's my absolute favorite to hydrate my skin and to prime it at the same time. As always, like now the sun, it's gonna hit me in the face. Yes, I need to move. I'm using the NYX No Filter Blurring Primer. Right here, when it says hashtag Sans Filter, I don't know what that is, but I really thought it would say San Sebastian, like Calle San Sebastian. Wow, Natalie with the F. Okay, so again, priming my skin, and this I will apply it in my T-zone. For foundation, I'm gonna be using again the LC, again because of the brand, and this is the LC Micro Silk Foundation, and this is in the shade, oh my god, I really don't know. It doesn't say anything. Oh, I don't know, I need to look for it. So shake it, and it's the LC foundation. So this foundation is really good because it's very durable, and it also is full coverage whenever you like keep applying layers. I do apply some layers on the areas that I feel like I need more coverage. And I moved, so I don't have all of my stuff. So it has been really tough for me to continue. Oh, that was in my eye. To continue with TulipHeels because I didn't have like light and anything. So now that I have time in the days, I'm gonna use the sunlight, but I really need to do it very early. For concealer, I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Light Neutral. Yes. While I'm blending, I am trying to do like a lot of things here in Miami, and Miami literally opened her arms, I don't know, as reference as a woman or as a man, but literally it has gave me a lot of projects, a lot of good opportunities, a lot of good persons. Like, even though Miami is kind of materialistic, it's true. I know who I am, I know what I do, I know from where I came from, and it's like I don't care about nobody, cause like, you know, not that I don't care about nobody, but I don't mess with nobody, you know. I don't stick in nobody's life. I am living my own, definitely. So it's like I don't have bad energies or anything because of that, because I really am by myself. I'm doing everything by myself, and I'm not looking at what others have. So I'm not there bragging in my head like, oh my gosh, she has this or that. Like, I know what I can get for myself. So, you know. So for powder, I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier. For contour, I'm gonna be using this Makeup Geek Habit Warm Fair Contour, and it is really, really good. That's why it is like this, because I love it. For blush, I'm gonna be combining two, and I'm gonna be using the Milani Berry Amore blush. I'm also using the blush Heart Throb, something like that, because I can't see correctly. Okay. And I love that rosy tone on the cheeks, so I'm gonna be applying a lot of blush. Yeah, so how are you guys? I miss my people in Puerto Rico. I hope everyone is good there. I really love my island. I always say it. Every time I go somewhere, it's like, I'm from Puerto Rico. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of Berry Amore. I'm gonna apply it on top. Oh, so cutie. I'm gonna be using the NYX Eyebrow Cake powder to set the face, because the face is already beaded. I'm gonna be using the LC the Hydra Enhancer. It's this right here to set my face. I really love this one. It's so refreshing. Now I'm gonna be grabbing from the Kristen Leanne palette this shade. Do like a very defined crease. I'm not gonna be using a lot of this shade. This is just to make my crease more defined, and so that my makeup looks a little bit more, because whenever I like open my eyes, you can see just a tiny bit. You can see the entire eye. So I'm trying to drag it up a little bit, you can see my crease. I'm gonna be using a Daydream for my eyelid. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the colors to the bottom of the eye. And this is first Tuscan Sun. I'm gonna do the liner, so I'll be right back. So I did my eyeliner and applied the lashes. The lashes will be in the link down below, because I really do not know which one are they. And now to combine my lashes and to give volume to my lower lashes, I'm gonna be using the Kiko Milano Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara, cruelty free as well. And I'm just doing that very, very lightly to my real lashes. So I'm not gonna touch like the tip of the lashes. I'm just touching mine. Well, that's what I'm trying to do. We're done with the face and eyes, but now I'm gonna be using the two rosies, this one and this one. I will take it down, but this was a gift from NYX. Look at all this colors. It was so perfect, because now whenever I'm in need of doing like a ombre or something, I have a lot of shades, people. Yes. Thanks to NYX Cosmetics PR. I'm going to be combining these two colors, and the real pink, this is Passion Rose, and this is Respect Pink. I think I'm gonna do like a cocktail. I'm not gonna apply them on my lips. I think I'm gonna do a mix. This is true pink, for real, guys. Ooh. This is neon for sure. For sure. I'm gonna be using the lipstick Bombshell to do like a combination because I think this is too much. Now we're talking. So my loves, this is the finished result for the look. It looks super cute, super girly, super fancy. I don't have clothes on because I'm comfy here and I don't want to put anything. So you guys will have to see only the look. And this is the look. I really hope that you guys loved it as much as I did. I don't usually do pink, but when I do, I feel some type of way and then I stop feeling that way and I have to remove it. So, but this look, I really loved. I really, 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 really loved. What do you guys think? Do you guys love it? Look at that, yes, right? Well, don't forget to give it a big, 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 big thumbs up if you loved it. And also don't forget to hit that button to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye and happy Valentine's. It's not the day, so happy Valentine's for February, because February is Valentine's month. So happy Valentine's, my loves.